Hi guys, Robert here with another video. So let's get into this one. And in this one, I want to talk about spending time on the decisions that you make, right? We all have busy lives, and you go through your life every day. You're going to have to make some type of decisions, right? They're going to come up in your life sooner or later, right? Whether it's with your job or your family or your business or whatever it is, right? Change and decisions is just a natural part of life, right? So, one helpful thing that I have about just making decisions, learn how to spend the reasonable amount of time on the decision based on what the choice is, right? So let me give you some examples, right? You don't want to spend a large amount of time on some tiny decisions, right? You have so many things going on with your life, right? Learn how to spend maybe a little bit of time on small decisions. If it's nothing big, nothing that's going to change your life, your family's life, you're not maybe purchasing a house, you're not moving across the country. Think about it, right? Make that decision fast. It shouldn't be that hard, right? You're just wasting time. You're prolonging whatever, that decision is, whatever that ultimate choice will be, right? Now, secondly, if it's a big decision, right, give it ample time and ample energy, right? You got to think about it, think about all the choices, all the possible scenarios, right? But those are big choices, right? Like I said, moving, maybe buying a house, taking another job, right? Maybe deciding to marry somebody, right? Those are big decisions. So you want to take a large amount of time, right? And you don't want to, kind of like I said, you don't want to spend a lot of time on small decisions, and you don't want to rush and spend very little time on those huge decisions, right? So just kind of try to think about it logically, right? Do I need to be stressing, over this little thing, right? Or maybe am I not putting enough effort into that big decision, right? Am I taking it too lightheartedly, right? Because it matters, right? Our time is very precious. Our time is very limited, right? So you don't want to just go on for days and weeks and sometimes years thinking about something that is not going to have a big effect on your life, right? You're just wasting time and energy. Most things, I know, like our ego tries to tell us, this is very important. It's not, right? It's the ego's way of protecting you. But trust me when I say most things in life are not that serious, are not that big of a decision. You know, if you spend a year making some tiny decision, I mean, there goes a year of your life, a year that you could be already moving towards, some kind of vision, or moving across the country, or whatever it may be, right? So sometimes we don't allocate the appropriate time based on the decision, right? First, sit down and relax, right? That's what we no good decisions are ever come from rushing. So sit down, relax, just like calm down, right? Just like I'm doing right now, instead of speaking very fast, and think about it. Is this something big or small, right? Is it life changing, or is it just gonna change something for the day or for the week, right? And based on that, make the decision and get good. This is the big one that's going to help you with kind of this overall process. In order to get good at making decisions, you have to know what you want, right? When you know what you want, big or small, right? It's going to become a lot easier for you, because when you have that clear vision, clear picture, right, of what it is that you want, right? And I'm talking about, it could be from person to a material thing to experiences, right? When you get very clear, then the decisions become very easy. They really do, right? Because you can see whether those decisions align with your vision, or whether they're taking you away from that vision, right? So this is a key aspect, and please, like, work on this. And if anything, like I say, in these videos resonates with you, please subscribe, right? And like and share and comment, and maybe write down, in the comments, what other videos you would want me to speak about, right? What other topics you want me to cover, because I love kind of like getting this out, and hopefully, it helps a lot of you, maybe even one of you. That's fine with me, right? I just want to help you in any way that I can. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.